think we're just gonna have to cut this this unboxing a bit short today.
Idiots.
In this box behind me is the most exciting development in the e-skate industry. Hey Jace, there's a couple of people from the YouTube comments from the production update. One of them is from Camera Flyer. He wants to know, will I be able to use my in-store credit to get a new Raptor 2.1 deck to replace my current deck?
Raptor 2.1 deck is not actually a product in our website at the moment, but that's a good question, because why not? Let's make it a product in our website. Then anyone with a Raptor 2 can just buy the Raptor 2.1 deck. It'll have to come with the handles, I suppose. Yeah, I'm gonna say yes to that. It's just not possible at the moment.
eSkate Bear wants to know, how much would it cost to upgrade from a Raptor 2 to a 2.1 if I already have one?
Raptor 2 to 2.1 if he already physically has one.
Yes. Is that even possible?
That would cut, well, yes, everything's possible at Inertian. That would be the purchase of a new deck with the handles, so to get the different handle position and the different handle. Technically you'd have to buy Fogbox Unity, which I don't exactly know the price of that yet, but the answer to that will be revealed in like 2 weeks, because it's going to go on pre-sale. And yeah, let's say definitely under 500, definitely over 300. That's the best I can do. Let's just run with US dollars, because that's, I don't know where that guy's from, so.
Alright, all good. Thanks, Jace.
No worries. Package arrived. See what we have here.
What is it?
Idiots. Ah, fucking hell. This is one of the things that you just deal with on a daily basis when your Fogbox Unity samples are meant to go to your engineer in Canada, and instead they come to your CEO, who can't do much with them without a little testing lab or whatever. I mean, it just adds, it's gonna add another week to the, so it looks fucking cool though. Look at that shit. So compact. USB-C. Overall looks pretty sweet. Man, this thing is gonna be a fucking weapon. Look at that. It's so compact. It's smaller than my goddamn phone. Oh my god. Look at that. Dual motor controller. Full aluminium case. Like, quite a large, that's solid aluminium there. Huge heatsink. This is a de-featured, basically I removed all of the tricky shit because it's just a prototype. We don't need all that fancy shit on it. That's so compact, man. It's actually thinner as well. Quite a bit.
It's a nice colour.
Yeah. Yeah, I thought everyone's going black. Let's go orange. You do the opposite of what everyone's doing, people. If you want to stand out in this world, it's going to be so trick.
I'm so excited for you guys to get these. We haven't confirmed the price yet on these, but I have spoken to Jason about it. I'm pretty sure they're going to be less than buying 2 Fogbox, because as Jeff said when he came to visit us last month,
there's actually 2 of things that you don't necessarily need to have there, because here there's 1 only, and it just makes sense. Like, why have extra components duplicating things if you don't need to? It only adds to the cost and you don't get any other benefit.
Yeah, and there is a lot of things that end up getting duplicated in these kind of designs. Connectors, that's extra cost. The 5-volt regulation for the microcontroller, extra cost. The microcontroller itself, extra cost.
Like just the plastic cover,
the cases, the milled aluminum pieces, it all adds up, and we can pass some of that savings on to the customer, which is awesome.
But yeah, so we got to send these back off to Charles now. He's going to get there in a couple of days. He'll start testing them. And then he's gonna, once they're all tested and all good, Charles is gonna send them out to all of our beta testers, and then that's when the real fun starts. Alright, the package is safe so far.
Yep, so your tracking number's on your receipt.
It's done. Alright, I can relax now. Hope those get to you soon, Charles.